Unboxing my iPad Generation 11, also works for Generation 10 case. And let me show you what else is included. The case is made up of good quality PU material. I chose the black glitter, but there is other colors, so it's kind of hard to choose from. But as you can see here, you have where you place your iPad. The charger is included. The keyboard, which is magnetic, so if you want to use it, you can, or you don't have to. I took the charger out of the box. You can see here it is an okay length, and then in the box as well is the mouse, which it is just connected through Bluetooth. You have the flap here that is magnetic and it just folds up. Something that I do like about this as well is you have the option of getting a stylus and placing it at the top there. Another really neat feature about this is the keyboard. It lights up. How cool is this? So you can have it rotating through the 7 different colors. You can choose a color that you like. This is also great if you are working in like a darker area. The keyboard is lit up, so it's easier to do your typing. Let me clarify, the charger in the beginning of the video that I showed is for the keyboard. It has 230 hours of use, but if you do need to, there will be at the top where you see the blinking light, just to the right of it, it will show you the battery usage if you need to charge it. The case is also anti-drop and shock-proof, very affordable. I can have the ultimate laptop on the go with me.